In this lesson, you'll learn about proportion and mean, and we'll do that by taking a look at a couple of different kinds of questions. The first one here is telling us that 100 people were asked if they have a pet, and the table on the right-hand side shows which kind of pet each pet owner has. The question is, based on this poll, what proportion of pet owners have only cats? And the thing to pay attention to here is that you're not being asked what proportion of the people polled have only cats. Instead, you're being asked what proportion of the pet owners. So the first thing you need to do is find out how many pet owners there are out of the 100 people polled. And you can do that by adding all of these numbers. When you add 18, 15, and 7, 12, 14, and 8, you're going to get 74 pet owners out of 100 people polled. Now, out of those 74, 18 plus 12 of them have cats only. And that means that out of 74 pet owners, 30 of them have cats only. So there's your proportion, 30 out of 74. Let's go ahead and turn that into a percent. We'll do that by saying 30 divided by 74 times 100, and that's going to give us about 40.5%, or 40.5% of the pet owners have cats only. Let's take a look at one more, and this one will have more to do with the mean. Mr. Baker's class was divided into 4 equal groups. The mean test scores for 3 out of 4 of the groups are given down here at the bottom of the table. For Group 1, it was about 83%, for Group 2, about 73%, and for Group 3, about 79%. The question is, what is the mean test score for the whole class? Now, it would be fine to add up every single test score in the class and then divide by the number of test scores, but that would be a little bit tedious and it's not necessary in this case. Since the class is divided into 4 equal parts and we have the means of the first 3 groups, all we really need to do is find the mean of the last group and then find the mean of the means. When we add this entire column here and divide by 7 scores, let's make sure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, when we add it and divide by 7 scores, we're going to get 85.71 for the mean of this group of students. And now if we take the 85.71, 79.29, 72.71, and 82.57 and add those all together and divide by 4, you're going to get 320 and 28 hundredths divided by 4. That's going to give you 80 and 7 hundredths, or about 80% for the mean test score of the whole class. Now you know a bit more about proportions and means. See you next time.